first. Okay. Camera off irukku. Ayyo. Give that note, man. Okay. Okay, good evening students. Good evening. Good evening to all. I hope everybody has to on the camera. Please switch on the camera.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. So we are going to continue the derivatives. Okay, derivative continue panna porom. So where we stopped, or I will just recall whatever we did. Okay, class 11th la neenga first limits padicheenga. From limits we come to know the meaning of first principle. So using first principle we come to know how to differentiate or how to get the derivative, right? So first thing is how to get the differentiation of a function using first principle. Okay, and first principle vachi nam enna panna aarambichom, we started deriving a formulas, right? X power n comes to n x power n minus 1. So sin x will come to cos x, cos x will come to minus sin x. So these three are very basic formulas. Idukku appuram enna pannom, what happens if the function, two functions are in multiplication, that is u v or u by v. So u v irundha rendu function product la irundha u dash v plus u v dash nyabagam iruka correct? If two functions are in division, that is u by v, what is that? U dash v minus u v dash by v square. Are you getting this, guys? Okay, ida pannom, ida vache enna pannom, how the, what is the differentiation of sin tan x, what is the differentiation of cos x, cot x, what is the differentiation of cosecant x, what is the differentiation of secant x. Appo idu ella formula no derive pannitom nyabagam iruka. Then up to this only is there in class 11th ra. Okay, but somehow before you go to class 12th I want to teach the differentiation part of class 12th. That's what we are seeing. Okay, what we see is what actually adu enadhu நம்ம பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறது என்னது, கிளாஸ் 12th தான், பட் 11th படிக்க கூடாதுன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை. அட் லாஸ்ட் ஓவராலாக இது டெரிவேட்டிவ்ஸ். ஓகேவா, டெரிவேட்டிவ்ஸ் எப்படி பண்ணுறது அப்படின்றத பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ நல்லா பாருங்க, நெக்ஸ்ட் லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம், அப்படின்னா இஃப் டூ ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் இன் காம்போசிட், ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருந்தா, ஆர் யூ ரிமெம்பரிங் திஸ் கைஸ்? இஃப் த ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபங்க்ஷன், if the one function has x க்கு பதிலா இன்னொரு function இருந்தா, what we have to do, we want to go for chain rule. I hope you guys are getting this. Okay, chain rule போணும். ஞாபகம் இருக்காப்பா? chain rule நிறைய sums போட்டோம், 2-3 sums போட்டோம், 2-3 type போட்டோம். 2 இருந்தா என்ன பண்றது, 3 இருந்தா என்ன பண்றது, everything. And I also taught how to do simply, very shortcut ல என்ன பண்ணனும் சொல்லி கொடுத்தேன். So cos x square will become minus sin x square dot 2x. I hope you guys are remembering this, right? This is chain rule. The second problem is if the function is not y equal to, ஒரு function y equal to இல்லனா, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுவேன், I will differentiate as it is. Wherever I am differentiating y, I will put dy by dx. I hope you remembering this also, right? கரெக்டா? ஸோ dy by dx எப்போ போடணும், எப்பெல்லாம் y வருதோ போடணும். xy இருந்தால் uv போடணும். We want to consider as two different function. X is one different function, y is some different function. That we saw in the implicit function. Next, பாரு அப்படியே ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் ப்ராப்ளம் ஏற நமக்கு அது ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் ஒரு சொல்யூஷன். ஓகே, காம்போசிட் ஃபங்க்ஷனாக இருக்கும்போது we got chain rule as the solution. When we are going for implicit function, y எப்பெல்லாம் வருதோ dy by dx போடுங்கன்ற ஒரு சொல்யூஷன். ஓகே, and we will segregate dy by dx and we will get the answer. நமக்கு தேவை dy by dx தானே, டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் என்ன dy by dx தானே. ஸோ we want to get dy by dx, அது எப்படி இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கலான்ற மாதிரி முடிவு பண்ணிட்டோம் கரெக்டாக ஃபார் implicit. பட் நெக்ஸ்ட் வேர் we went for inverse trigonometry function. I told you the formulas. Okay, I am not deriving the formula of inverse trigonometry function unless you are going to 12th. But formula ஒரு 6 formula படிச்சோம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? c க்கு எல்லாமே நெகட்டிவ் வரும். I hope I have shown that slide. c போடும் போதெல்லாம் என்ன வந்திருக்கும்? நெகட்டிவ் சைன் வந்திருக்கும். மிச்சத்துக்குலாம் பாசிட்டிவாக இருந்திருக்கும். 1 by 1 plus x square 1 minus x square square root of 1 minus x square x root of அந்த மாதிரி வந்திருக்கும். I hope you remember this. If directly நமக்கு வந்து sin inverse of x இல்ல sin inverse of y ன்னு சொன்னா we can do like that. Sometimes எனக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்னா sin குள்ள ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கும். sin inverse of ஒரு big function இருக்கும். For example, x into square root of 1 minus x square, 2x into square root of 1 minus x square. இந்த ஃபார்ம் பார்த்தா x க்கு பதிலா என்ன எடுக்கணும்னு ஒரு டேபுலர் காலம் போட்டு கொடுத்தேன். ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Have you mugged up that? If I say 3x square minus 3x by, இது இப்படி வந்தா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? tan. ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? அதே மாதிரி x 2x square root of 1 minus x square என்ன கொண்டு வருவீங்க? x க்கு பதிலா it can be cos or sin, because நம்ம cos இருந்தாலும் sin இருந்தாலும் it will change to 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x will change to sin 2x. so நமக்கு cos or sin ஆன்னு எப்படி முடிவு பண்ணலாம்? வெளியே cos inverse இருக்கா sin inverse இருக்கான்னு பார்த்து முடிவு பண்ணலாம். okay, so that depends on so I hope I have shown you that that tabular column also. இது ரொம்ப சிம்பிள், வேற எதுவும் வராது. you has to just mug up. அதை நீங்க மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா போதும். இப்போ நான் sin inverse of னுக்கு உள்ள ஒன்னு எழுதுனா என்ன பண்ணனும்னு உங்களுக்கு தெரியணும். கரெக்ட்டா? so then we went for what? இது மூணு பார்த்துட்டோம் பாரு, மூணு விஷயம் பார்த்திருக்கோம். 12th வரைக்கும் பார்த்தா மூணு பார்த்திருக்கோம். chain rule, implicit, inverse. next our problem is what happens if my function is having e power x? கரெக்ட்டா? what happens if my function is having e power x? e power x ஓட differentiation என்ன? e power x differentiation to e power x. e power some function is coming. e power, so I will go for what? chain rule. e power 3x plus 2. e power 3x plus 2. what I will do? e power 3x plus 2. so I know differentiation of e power 3x plus 2 will be e power 3x plus 2 plus dot differentiation of 3x plus 2, which is 3. so this will result in 3 e power 3x plus 2. are you getting this, guys? simple தானே? e power x ல uv வரும், e power x ல எனக்கு என்ன வரும்? u by v வரும், e power x ல chain rule வரும், e power x ல composite வரும். everything the same thing. if I say e power y equal to sin x, I want dy by dx. what I will do? e power y dy by dx equal to cos x. so dy by dx is cos x by e power y. அப்படியே இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பண்ண ரூல்ஸ் we should follow. whatever rules we had before that we should just follow. அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண வேண்டாம். is it simple, guys? புரிஞ்சுதா? see I am 100% sure if you are strong in this, your 12th max is going to be easy. okay, so நான் அதனால தான் நான் இத 11th லயே நடத்துறேன். okay, so if you are strong in this, don't worry about 12th max. if you are weak, make sure நீ நோட் பண்ணிக்கோ, உன்னோட physics-உம் கஷ்டமா இருக்க போகுது, உன்னோட maths-உம் கஷ்டமா இருக்க போகுது. okay, so two major subject is going to be difficult if you are weak in this. okay, I want to give enough practice for this before you going to class 12th. okay, so next problem. now up to now we addressed 4 problems. what are the 4 problems? one is implicit, one is chain rule, another one is inverse function, another one is e power x. okay, now we are going for log. so I know log differentiation is 1 by x, but there is a trick. what trick is? if I use log, if I use the log as the function, I can have this many properties over there. that is product law, power law, quotient law. at least these 3 laws. okay, product law says that log pq will be equal to log p plus log q. okay, see ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் I'll show that some complex function எப்படி ஈஸியா மாத்தலாம் log யூஸ் பண்ணி நான் காட்டுறேன். if log is having that is log p by q can be written as log p by log q, log p minus log q. okay, and similarly log p power n can be written as n log p. n log p. This 3 formula is as of now enough. Okay, this 3 formula is as of now enough. We can go for this. So we can start from exponential. Exponential lende ஆரம்பிக்கிறேனா. Okay, இது வரைக்கும் முன்னாடி கொடுத்ததே உங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆயிட்டீங்கன்னா yes okay, otherwise please go and rewind the video and see. ஒரு எந்த மெத்தட் உனக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங் ஆயிலன்னு நினைக்கிறியோ go there, do the same sum what we have done in the class. இன்னொரு தடவை பாரு. That's what the recording is given, right? அப்புறம் எதுக்கு okay, for you guys only. So go take that part alone. Okay sir, I am not confident in implicit. Go to implicit when it starts. See the video. Do the sums which is on the given in the PPT. Clear? Shall we go? Okay, next is now I have e power sine inverse of x. I want to know what is the differentiation of sine inverse of x. What is the differentiation of sine inverse of x? Guys, what is the differentiation of sine inverse of x? I have shown the PPT. Yes, 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Guys, if you forget these things, then nothing can be done. Ida maraka kudadu. I think I should have given around some 12 formulas that you should have been mugged up by now. Okay, okay. So now I know that I am having this as a problem. So I will take it as t as per my chain rule. So y will become e power t and t will become sine inverse of x. Is that okay, guys? Now what happens, guys? I will differentiate dy by dt. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt dot dt by dx. So this will become e power t dot 1 by square. So what is t, guys? E power sine inverse of x by square root of 1 minus x square. Is that okay, guys? Is that okay? Clear? Simple?
Yes sir.
Okay? So next sum you guys has to do, guys. நானே போட்டுட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு எனக்கு. You guys has to do. Come on. What you can do? Y is equal to cos x by log x. What has to be done? U by v. Correct? U by v எடுக்கலாம். Or one more method is there, but you take u by v itself. You take u by v where u is equal to cos x and v is equal to 1 by log x. So u v dash will become what? 1 by x, because log x differentiation is what? 1 by x. டேய் இன்னொரு மெத்தட்ல வேணாடா, இதே போடு. இன்னொரு மெத்தட் என்ன வரும்? இதை uv மாத்திட்டு log x uv போடணும், அது வேண்டாம், இப்படியே போடு. This is the simplest way. When you have the simplest way, why you want to look for the toughest? Okay guys, everybody got the answer? Any doubts on this? I want to do யாருக்காவது நான் பண்ணலனா please give the hand raise. I'll do. Anybody is there? Pratap, I want to do it once again. See.
Yes sir.
See. I don't know where you got the problem. This is u, this is v, right? See, if you see the answer here, then you will get confused. நான் எப்படி உனக்கு நடத்தணும் அந்த மாதிரி போட்டுறணும். So u by v deals with what? What is the formula? U dash v minus u v dash by v square. Yeah, now what is my u is cos x. What is my u dash is minus sin x. V is equal to log x. V dash is equal to 1 by x. Now just substitute here, take LCM, take the quotients, it will come.
Yes sir.
Are you getting?
Yes sir. Thank you. Yes sir.
Okay. Now this one, guys, what you has to use? You has to use log, you has to use chain rule. Correct? Chain rule ku chain rule. Log a ஒரு function, log குள்ள cos ஒரு function, cos x இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல e power x ஒரு function. So we have function of function of function, 3 functions. Come on, do it. You can do by shortcut also, I don't mind. But
Yes sir.
very good. Hey, this is I think Sai Akhilesh is feeling என்ன ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருக்கு அப்படியாடா?
ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கு சார்.
Yeah, because ஏய் என்னடா இருக்கு இங்க பாருடா. dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos e power x. Cos e power x differentiation will become minus sin e power x dot e power x. So this will become minus tan e power x dot e power x. Whether you change like this, Mr. Sai Akhilesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then you got that extra mark also. Okay. Good.
Sir, completed, sir.
So minus e power x tan x or tan e power x. Are you getting, guys? Easier ka? When you feel this is easy only, we can take it as you learned. நான் பண்ணுவேன் சார் ஆனால் கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்குன்னா then you not still practiced. Shall I teach it for anybody? We can give time for it. Nothing wrong. Argenta போகணும்னு எந்த இதுவும் இல்லை. Shall I teach? Pratap, are you getting? Kavya, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anshul?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now guys, this one is for you. Come on. What is differentiation of tan x? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. 1 by? Yeah, that you guys has to 1 plus x square. Yeah, in the place of x you want to put e power minus x. But e power x, it is not e power x. So minus will come extra. That, yeah, I'll check how many are doing it correctly. Guys, meanwhile, while doing this sum, please listen this also. I have sent the worksheet of all chapters. I hope you started doing. And you asked to send me. I told, right? Nothing I told. Oh, just I sent. Okay. Now I will say, I want weekly at least 2 chapters. Weekly at least 2 chapters. That is, on Saturday, you guys has to send me the photo of 2 chapters. Okay? Come on, guys, we can do.
Sir, from beginning, any order?
No order. You can take your own order. That is, what is going to come for your school exam first you can do. I am giving that liberty to you. Okay? And see, 2 is minimum. If you are sending 5, I will appreciate. Nothing wrong. And if you are sending whole worksheet also, I will be happy. Okay, let us see how many are sending. Done? Don't know. I want to teach. Yeah, somebody called me.
Yes, I have finished it, sir, but I'm not sure about that.
Okay, don't worry, I will do it and show guys. Guys, what is there? என்ன பண்றீங்க நீங்க? See, first my problem is,
Okay, sir.
yeah, I will write like this, differentiation of sin tan inverse of x. First I will differentiate the sin alone. The sin will change to what? Cos tan inverse of e power minus x. But in the place of x, what I add? Tan inverse of e. So I will differentiate that one and write nearby. To do that, I will go here. I know once again what happened. I know tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. But the bad luck, in the place of x, I add e power x. So 1 plus e power minus x the whole square. Dot, I will go for d by dx of e power x, e power minus x. E power minus x differentiated to minus e power minus x. Once again, that is also chain rule. Okay? Day, புரிஞ்சுதா இந்த ஆன்சர் வந்ததா எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த ஆன்சர் வந்ததா? கைஸ், ஒன் மோர் திங். டேய், ஒன்றும் இல்லைடா, நீங்கள் செயின் ரூலை வந்து மேண்டேட்ரியாக வச்சுக்கணும். எப்படி வச்சுக்கணும் பாரு. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, எனக்கு சைன் எக்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன கிடைச்சது? நம்ம வந்து காஸ் எக்ஸ்ல எழுதுறோம், கரெக்டா? ஆக்சுவலாக இங்கே கூட செயின் ரூல் தான் நடந்திருக்கு. பட் வித்தவுட் நோயிங், சி சைன் எக்ஸோட டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் காஸ் எக்ஸ். இந்த பிளேஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஐ ஆட், அங்கே என்ன இருக்கு? ஃபங்க்ஷனோட இன்புட்டாக என்ன இருக்கு? x. அதை தனியாக டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? 1. That's why it is not mentioned here. You see like this. புரிஞ்சா? அதாவது எல்லாத்துக்குமே எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? என்ன ஃபார்முலாவோ அதை அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு, and that input has to be separately differentiated and written nearby. x differentiate பண்ணா 1. So I need not to worry. I want to just write it. Are you getting? Anywhere shall I say once again? Please. Anything shall I want to say? Which one, ma?
I got this answer.
Everybody got this? If anybody is not getting, please say me, I will teach you. Nothing wrong.
Sir, I can't understand.
Sivaranjini, from which step, ma? From first or some particular step?
No, sir, from the second step, sir.
From this one?
Line of differentiation is okay.
From this one? Okay. You are from this one to this one or this one to this one?
Sir, from the first step.
From
The second step.
see this one to this one, correct? Ah?
Yes, sir.
See
No, sir, from the second step to third step.
this one. Okay, then that is the first step, ma. Okay, see d by
The second step to third step, sir.
oh this one to this one.
Yes, sir.
See what is the differentiation of tan inverse of x? Okay, that is went no அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சு போச்சு இந்த ஸ்டெப்ல ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையே. See tan inverse of x differentiation will lead to 1 by 1 plus x square. Here if I add x it will become x square. Hence I add c power minus x, this will become e power minus x the whole square. Sivaranjini? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now in the place of x I add e power minus x, so I will differentiate separately e power minus x and write near to that. Clear?
Yes, sir. Now,
Okay va? Okay. See by practice this want to come like your addition and subtraction. Addition, okay, I don't know how much strong in addition and subtraction, but like that it should come. Okay. So now I am going for logarithmic. Okay. சரி logarithmic function actually என்ன பண்ண போகுதுனா it's going to make the function easier. It's going to make the function easier. See guys, now the problem is x power cos x. X power cos x. How to differentiate this, guys? I can't use u b. I can't use u by v. Even chain rule is impossible here. Correct? Chain rule is possible. Yeah, we can take log easily. See, what I am going to do, I will take log on both sides. This is not differentiation, just a trick. Nalla paru, by using log y is equal to log x power cos x. Guys, now shall I use the power law? The power law says log x power y can be written as y log of x. Y log of x. So, in the place of y I add cos x here. So, cos x log x. Shall I change like this, guys? Now this is u and this is v. Just differentiate. So what happens to this one? Now log y. So now what I am going to do? I am going to differentiate this also. Log y will become 1 by y dy by dx. பார் எல்லா ரூலும் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்போம். Now this is a rule of implicit function. This is a rule of implicit function. So 1 by y dy by dx is equal to. So u is this, v is this. Can't you do this, guys? What is u? U is equal to cos x. What is u dash? Yeah, minus sin x. And what is v? Log x. What is v dash? 1 by x. Just substitute here, guys. What is the formula? U dash v minus u v dash by v square. So what? Oh, sorry. Okay, sorry, guys. So uv is equal to uv the whole dash is equal to u dash v plus uv dash. Okay. So what happened here? What is u dash? Minus sin x. What is v? Log x plus cos x by x. Now sum mudiyala. What I want is only dy by dx. What I want is only dy by dx. Okay. Okay. So this y will go here. This y will go here. So this y will go here and we'll make it as log x to the power of cos x. Okay. The minus will come here overall. Then sin x. Okay. Yeah, எடுக்கணும் அதை இங்கே போட்டுடலாம். Minus sin x log x plus cos x by x. Guys, are you getting this? Actually, this should be multiplication. புரிஞ்சுதா? நான் இப்போ இந்த sum அழிச்சிடுவேன். The same sum has to be done by you. The same question has to be done by you. என்ன பண்ணணும்? ரெண்டு சைடு log எடுக்கணும். Once again I'll repeat. ரெண்டு சைடு log எடுங்க. Using logarithmic power law, the power will come as a multiplication after taking log. Okay? That is log x power y will become y log x. Okay, now this will become inga enna aidum idu u v na aidum using uv formula product. ஆனா என்ன ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம், இத பாரு இது வரைக்கும் நீ டிஃபரன்ஷியேட்டே பண்ணல. These two steps is only for decomposing the function to be in plus and minus. See, if the functions are in addition and subtraction, the differentiation is easy rather than it is in multiplication or it is in power. புரிஞ்சா? So we are decomposing a function to be in plus and minus and we are differentiating. Is that okay, guys? Okay, I will erase this. You guys has to do. Come on, do it. Do once again without seeing. Come on, I will give 30 seconds. Soon. யாருக்காவது இது டவுட் இருந்தா சொல்லலாம். I will help you out. Don't be silent. That is going to problem to you only. Shall I move to the next question, guys? Ivan போட முடிஞ்சதா? சுகேந்திரா போட முடிஞ்சதா? சூப்பர்.
Yes, sir.
அன்ஷுல், அன்பரசி.
Yes, sir, I have placed. The book or something this is, sir.
Okay, super. Okay, guys. Okay, see, any g of x to the power of f of x to the power of g of x. Power la function irundale you can think for log. You can think for log. Okay, next is now see guys, x power x minus 2 power sin x. Both the place. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், very simple. This one I am going to take separately and differentiate. This one I am going to take separately and differentiate, and at last the answers will be composed with minus. பண்ணலாமா? Separately I will differentiate this one, separately I will differentiate this one, and I will subtract it. Okay vadana? Okay, so how that can be done properly is I will write like this: y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. Now what I am going to do, dy by dx, I am going to take this as v, u, and this as v. Guys, this uv is not, now u minus v irukku. So what I am going to do, dy by dx will be equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. எழுதிக்கலாமா? தனித்தனியா x ல differentiate பண்ணி subtract பண்றேன். That's what the algebra of differentiation says, right? If it is an addition and subtraction, separately you differentiate and put together. That's what differentiation algebra says. So that's what we are going to do. So to do that, I am going to see now na ipo column pirichikren. How I am going to take as what? X power x. Now how to differentiate x power x? Take log on both sides because this is the function of power f of x to the power of g of x. So I will take log on both sides. So log u is equal to x log x. Correct ah? Power law. Power என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், multiplication கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். Okay, anybody who is not understanding can stop me here. Are you getting? So now this is what, how this has to be differentiated. V, so u is equal to x, u dash is equal to 1, v is equal to log x, v dash is equal to 1 by x. Now what happens guys, 1 by u, differentiating this will give me du by dx, because I am not differentiating this one, so I am just differentiating with respect to x. So du by dx equal to, now this one u dash v, correct? U dash v plus u v dash. Now what happens? Yeah, log x plus 1 plus 1, because x dot 1 by x, x get cancelled and it will become, and what, du by dx will become u into, what is u? X power x. So x power x log x plus 1. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now first part is over. First part is over. What is the second part now? V is equal to what? 2 power sin x. 2 power sin x. Once again shall we take log? திருப்பி எடுக்கலாமா? log எடுக்கலாமா? So what happens? Log v is equal to சொல்லுங்க sin x 2. Guys, don't worry about log 2. Log 2 பச்சை புள்ள மாதிரி, ஏன்னா அது ஒரு கான்ஸ்டன்ட். log 2 is what? 0.3010. Okay, so அப்போ log 2 is there. You need not to go for uv. uv போனாலும் the same answer will come. If you go for uv also, the same answer will come, because log 2 is a constant, it's a coefficient of sin x. So let it be as it is. 1 by v dv by dx is equal to என்னது log 2 cos x. So dv by dx is equal to v. What is v? 2 power sin x. That is, this v comes here, so it will come log 2 cos x. Guys, write this one first minus this one, that's it. That is what? dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to du by dx, that is this one, and dv by dx this one. In between put minus. Are you getting this, guys? Clear ah? Clear ah?
Yes, sir.
Anybody want to do this sum? Okay, see, whatever sum today I am teaching, that is, I think this is the third or fourth sum. Okay, whatever sum today I am teaching, you guys has to do once again, and you want to write it and send me the photo before 11 o'clock of today. Okay, all the best. Yeah, guys, this one, now this one, see, find the derivative of log x to the power of x minus x log x, x power log x. The same thing, guys. Take u, take v. Okay வா, என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்? இதை u ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம், இதை v ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். So y dy by dx will become what? du by dx. சொல்லுங்கடா, dv by, sorry, minus. Okay, minus dv by dx. Correct? So what du by dx mean? That is, I want u is equal to, I will take u is equal to log x to the power of x. Okay, so now what I will do? Come on, guys, do this sum. I will give 30 seconds to you. Come on, fast. 30 seconds is enough, not enough. Okay, I will give 1 minute. Fast, fast. Same logic of last sum. Meanwhile, people who are not getting can raise your hand. I will teach you. Now this 1 minute we need not to waste. Anybody is there in the group online? Anybody is there who want to be taught once again? ஏதாவது சொல்லணும்னா சொல்லு. Nothing wrong. Niranjan? Kavya? I am not seeing you guys writing. So you guys have any problem in this? You are writing. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Do as it is. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியுதோ அப்படி எழுதுங்க.
Sir, முடிச்சேன் sir.
Is it so? Okay, I have displayed the answer. Whether it is it right, Mr. Sai Akhilesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Don't see the answer, that is, don't see the steps. Definitely you get confused. Okay, you do by yourself, answer will come. நான் சொன்ன procedure follow பண்ண answer வரும். நீ அங்க பாத்தீனா ஏதோ எழுதிருக்கோம் d by dx ஏதோ எழுதிருக்கோம் குழம்பிப்ப. Okay,
Sir, I got it.
very good. So 2 people got up to now. Nikas, I am waiting for your answer.
Sir, got the answer.
You got the answer, very good. 3 people got.
Got it, sir.
Super. 4 people. Nothing wrong in saying I am not getting. I will teach once again. Nothing wrong. So next class I will go for trigonometry. பண்ணல. ஐயோ 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 டைம் எல்லாம் வேஸ்ட்டாக போகுது. Guys, if I taught this and you are understanding, then this class is successful, ra. If somebody not understanding, you guys are doing some sin. என்ன பாவம் பண்றீங்கன்னு பாத்துக்கோங்க. Shall I move? Only 4 people in online told yes I got. What about Sivaranjani? What about Sadhana? What about Sai Rakshana? What about Nikas? What about Anbarasi? What about Kavya? What about Pavitra? எது சுகேந்திரா? நீ உன்னை நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? இங்க இருக்கிற ஆன்சரை பார்க்காத, நான் சொல்ற மாதிரி போடுன்னு தானே சொன்னேன். நீ ஏன் ஆன்சரை பார்த்த? என்னடா கேட்ட? ஓ இது மட்டும் புரியலையா? ஓ தப்பா போட்டியா புரியலையா? டேய் அதுக்கு செயின் ரூல் எடுக்கணும்டா. செயின் ரூல் எடுக்கணும். ஏ பாரு ரெண்டுத்துக்கு லாக் எடுத்தனா, லாக் எடுத்துட்டா பவர்ல இருக்கிற x இங்க வந்துருமா? சோ x log x வந்துச்சா? இப்போ இது u, இது v. v dash கண்டுபிடிக்க செயின் ரூல் யூஸ் பண்ணனும். ஏனா v is log of log x. So log of log x will enter into 1 by log x dot 1 by x. So it will change to 1 by x log x. And that is v dash. We have u going to be x, u dash is going to be 1. Come with Sweta. Okay. Okay guys, next. டேய் இப்போ பாரு. இப்போ என்னெல்லாம் பாத்துறோம்? நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாரு. என்னெல்லாம் பாத்துறோம்? First what we saw is 12th ல இருந்து ஆரம்பிப்போம். Chain rule, implicit, inverse trigonometry function, e power x, log x. Now we are going to go for parametric function. See, first of all, நீங்க எப்போ parametric form னு நீ படிச்சாலும் the functions will not be in x and y. X will be in some same function, y will be in another same function. For example, x is equal to f of t, where y equal to g of t, where dy by dx will be differentiate y, differentiate x and divide the same. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, I'll teach you. See now, okay, not this one. I will take first. I will take small thing. Okay, in the question vana, I will take like this. X is equal to a t cube. Why a? 2t cube. Okay. Y is equal to 6t power 4. I will take. This is two different function, right? Where x is equal to கொடுத்திருக்கு, y is equal to கொடுத்திருக்கு. But usual function எப்படி இருக்கும்? Y equal to in terms of x இருக்கும். கரெக்ட்டா? Usual function எப்படி இருக்கும்? Y equal to in terms of x இருக்கும். I'll just differentiate and write the answer. ஆனா இப்போ எப்படி இருக்கு? x ன்னு ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கு, y ன்னு ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கு. அது ரெண்டுமே எப்படி இருக்கு? t ன்ற காமன் பாராமீட்டர்ல இருக்கு. அதனால தான் இது parametric method. It has the common parameter as t. That's why we call this as what? Parametric method. So now they want dy by dx. Yes sir. That is we call it as differentiation. Right now, what is this you know? Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. ஒன்றும் இல்லைப்பா, differentiate y with respect to t, differentiate x with respect to t and divide it. So what I am going to do, what is dy by dt? This is going to be, what is 6 4s are? 24 t power 3 divide by, what is this? 6 t power 2. Cancel. So answer is 4t. Are you getting this, guys? அவ்வளவுதான் பெருசா ஆசைப்படாது. ஆனா என்ன, இப்போ இது சிம்பிளா இருந்ததா, இப்போ x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு செயின் ரூல், x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு லாக், x டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு பாராமெட்ரிக், சாரி ஒரு இம்ப்ளிசிட் போலாம்ல. see, are you getting this, guys? சிம்பிள் தானே இது. என்ன தப்பு பண்ணுவேன்னு சொல்றேன், என்ன தப்பு பண்ணுவ, இது dy by dx னா y தான் மேல இருக்கணும், நீ x பண்ணி மேல எழுதிடுவ. நிறைய பேர் இதுல தப்பு பண்ணுவாங்க. ரெண்டு ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கு, முதல்ல கொடுத்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி மேலே, ரெண்டாவது கொடுத்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி கீழே, அப்படி தான் ஞாபகம் வச்சுப்பேன். பண்ணக்கூடாது. dy மேலே இருக்குது, ஸோ y தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேலே போடணும். சரியா? கிளியரா? சிம்பிளா? Shall we go for the next question? That is the sixth question. Now guys, what we have to do? Now I want to differentiate this one. To get what? dx by d theta. Why pa? Because the parameter is theta here. And I will differentiate this to get what? dy by d theta. Then what I need is what? dy by dx, which is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Divide and get the answer. Clear? இப்போ என்ன நடக்கும்? cos x differentiate பண்ணா minus sin x. Sorry, not theta. Okay. Now minus is there. So plus sin 2 theta dot 2. Are you getting this, guys? So I will rewrite like this. 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன்னு புரியுதா? பிளஸ்ல முதல்ல இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். பிளஸ் முதல்ல போட்டு மைனஸ் ரெண்டாவது போட்டு. கிளியரா? பண்ணலாமா? Okay, come here. What is going to happen here? Sin theta will end up with what? Cos theta 2 cos. Okay, guys, ரெண்டையும் டிவைட் பண்ணி எழுதுப்பா. எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதணும்? dy by d theta. So cos theta 2 theta divided by 2 sin theta minus sin 2 theta sin theta. Clear ah, guys? Super ah? Parametric புரிஞ்சுதா? Shall I go to the next sum? வாவ்ல. Okay. Next, yeah, அது ஒரே ஒரு parametric sum தான் இருக்குது. நம்ம you want some more in parametric?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll take x is equal to 3 cos theta minus 4 log theta. Okay, y is equal to 4 power sin x. Sin theta. Come on, guys, do it. Guys, next live class sorry, next offline class, that is on coming Saturday for SSM Nagar and coming Monday for Peringalattur. Both will have 1 hour test on whatever I taught now. You go and see the video if you are not listened. Okay? Guys, I am serious. I will print the question paper and then come and give. Don't worry, Pratap, I will send that to you. Write home test.
Yes, sir. 1 hour, right, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will send in the...
Ivan,
your answer sheet.
yeah, Ivan, Kavya, Anbarasi. Where is Sairan? Shiran. Okay, guys, Purinjida. Ivan, Purinjida. They interest I disappointed actually. Guys are not getting interested. Only Sugindran got interested. Ivan not got interested. Sadhana not got interested. Kavya not got interested. Got interested or not, ma? That's such a beautiful thing. We love to do this. என்ன அன்பரசி சிரிப்பா இருக்கா? இது இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் திங்கா இருக்குன்னு சொன்னதுக்கு. Guys, if you cooperate, the class will end soon. If you cooperate. I come with a plan of something. If I finish that, I will leave you. Otherwise, class will go for 2.5 hours. I will not mind. Yes. Don't worry, Sugindran. I will finish if I am going to finish. Okay. So, guys, what is the answer of this? யார் சொல்றீங்க? Yeah, Anshul.
Sir, negative theta 4
minus theta
4 to the power sin theta
4 power sin theta
into cos theta log 4
4 theta log 4
cos theta log 4
oh sorry cos theta log 4
by 3 theta sin theta
by 3 theta sin theta. Is that correct, guys? Anybody got some other answer?
Sir, I got same answer.
Yeah, this cos theta by sin theta can be changed to cot theta. Okay, and this theta and this theta is there in multiplication, we can cancel it out. So 4, first see, log 4 we can write because log 4 is a coefficient. So log 4, 4 power sin theta, make the bracket, divide by 3 and I can write here cot, I will put minus here. Okay, is that okay, guys? Clear? Another or what I did now, see cos theta by sin theta can be changed to cot theta and this theta I cancelled and this log 4 I am writing first because it's a constant, it's coefficient, it has to come first, then 4 power sin theta by remaining is 3. Nothing much, just normal algebra. Okay, guys, next we are going for second order derivative. Almost we are at the end of derivatives. Okay, என்ன விஷயம் நல்லா பாரு, செகண்ட் ஆர்டர் டெரிவேட்டிவ்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்னா ஏற்கனவே ஒரு தடவை டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணிட்டல்ல, இன்னொரு தடவை பண்ணிட்டீனா it becomes second order. You guys might be studied harmonic in your class 11th physics. What is the meaning of harmonic? First order, second order, third order, fourth order, and you will go to nth order. No, nothing. இப்ப பாரு, I will take y is equal to, if I take y is equal to, okay, 4x power 5. First order, that is dy by dx. In other word, it is y dash. ஒரு தடவை differentiate பண்ணா, this will become what? 4 5s are 20x power 4. Now next, d by dx of dy by dx, correct? This will end up with d square y by dx square. We call this as second order. and easily we can represent as y double dash, where this is 80 x power 3. 80 x power 3. Now d by dx of d square of y by dx square, we are going to call it as what? Triple order or third order? Okay, third order is nice. Okay, we can see just simply,
240x square.
yeah. Then I don't 3 d cube y by dx cube. This will end up with what? 240 x square. Okay, every algebraic function நல்லா note பண்ணிக்கோ, end up with 0 one time while differentiating. நான் differentiate பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருந்தேன்னா at last one day it will become 0. Okay, if I take x square in the second step itself, it will become 0. Pare, first time what it becomes 2x, next step it will become 2, third step it will become 0, because constant differentiation is 0. Is that clear, guys? Okay va?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay. அப்போ இங்க மட்டும் என்ன புதுசா சொல்ல போறோம் பாரு. f of x so differentiation, so once again differentiation is going to be, guys listen, என்னன்னா இப்போ நான் ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா போட்டேன்ல, that can be uv, u by v or any composite function or something, right? Now whatever I taught you, the same thing can be, but double differentiation has to go. So what happened here? Once again we have a chain rule, we have u by v, sorry uv. So they asked double differentiation. So find the first differentiation and differentiate that once again to give me the second order differentiation. Come on guys, do it. யாருக்கு வெயிட் பண்றீங்க? போட்டியா இல்லையா? That's the answer. Anybody got the answer or I want to do? Shall I do? அது என்னமோ என்ன போட்டோ வச்சு பார்க்கறதுல உங்களுக்கு அப்படி. Okay, I'll give 1 minute time. Let us check. If you are not going to get, then I'll do. Super. Super. Some students are getting answer. I can read some faces who are very much upset. என்ன நடக்குதுனே தெரியல சார் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க. Okay. Yeah, Kavya, you got it? Yeah.
That's like EX 10 cos 5x minus 20 cos 5x.
Okay, just divide by 2 ma, you will get the same answer, right?
Sir, I got answer.
Or you take common 2 outside. This 2 you have not taken the out. I got. என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன், அந்த 2 காமனா வெளிய எடுக்கல. If you are not taking the 2 also okay, but the simplest way you want to write so that the teacher will be more happy. Okay? Okay, shall I move?
Sir, I got answer.
Okay. Yeah guys, this one. d square y by dx square cos inverse of x in terms of y alone. See, இதுல ஒரு சின்ன difference இருக்கு. I know you guys will do double differentiation, but what answer they asked is in y double dash, that is d square y by dx square, they want only y, they don't want anything else, that is they don't want cos x, they want only y dash or y double dash, that kind only they want. Are you getting? Don't do it, just I will show. I hope this is உங்களுக்கு புரியும் தானே. First நான் இதை differentiate பண்றேன், I am going to get this as a answer, right? Now what I am going to do, I am going to differentiate this one. So to differentiate this one, I will use what? U by v method. Okay, I will go for u by v, or yeah, otherwise I can take this into power of minus 1 by 2, I can go for chain rule. Okay, so chain rule போறேன், and once again I got d square y by dx square. So this is the answer, but extra என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கான் in terms of y alone. அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ணணும், somehow இங்க நான் y உள்ள கொண்டு வரணும். எப்படி கொண்டு வரலாம்? So நான் என்ன பண்றேன், I am just changing this. See, I know I have taken cos inverse of x is equal to what? Y. So this cos inverse goes here, x is equal to what? Cos y. So in the place of x, I will put cos y. So the answer will be only in y. புரிஞ்சா? என்ன கேட்டாங்க? இது வரைக்கும் நார்மல் சம். இது வரைக்கும் நார்மல் சம். In terms of y ன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. I know x is equal to cos y. I know x is equal to cos y. So where I got x, I'll just put cos y. I'll just put cos y. Are you getting this, guys? புரிஞ்சா? அந்த இதுக்கு தான் மார்க் இங்க. இது வரைக்கும் போட்டினா 5 மார்க் சமுக்கு ஒரு 2 மார்க் தான், 3 மார்க் தான். இதுக்கு தான் 2 மார்க். அப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு क्वेश्चन புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். கரெக்ட் தானே? See, now this can be changed as 1 minus cos square can be changed to sin square. So sin square 2 by 3 can be changed into what? Square root போட விட்டோம்.
Sir, the square root வராது sir.
3 by 2 sin square.
Square root வராது, ஏன்னா 1 minus cos square y வந்து
Sin square, yeah, that both cancelled. This 1 by 2 is alone extra. This by 2 is extra. புரியலையா? 1 minus cos square will become sin square. That sin square and this square will get cancelled. 1 by 2 தானே இது, 1 by 2 na square root. Square will get cancelled, so sin cube will come. This 2 is extra, that's the problem. Now sin y by cos y by sin y, sin 3 இருக்கு, cube இருக்குங்க. So I will take 1 as cot and other 2 as cos square, cosecant square. Clear ah? Clear? Okay. Okay. Okay guys. Guys, I am going to give some question. No, don't move. Okay.